Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to look up with very small amount of information, or you can say with partial information. So we know small amount of information in a cell, and using that particular information we will go out and search relevant information in a table. We have seen Vlookup with exact match. Today we will do it with partial match. So without any further ado, I'll jump into my spreadsheet. This is a sample spreadsheet where we have names of instructors and relevant courses with respect to those instructors that they're teaching. I'm looking for particularly Mr. John Abraham's information. Mr. John is teaching us a subject, specific subject, writing compositions. How I can find it is equal to Vlookup. This is typically how you will use it, but after this we will also use correct for function or formula. So is equal to, I've given a reference, Mr. John's name, comma, I've selected the whole table here, again comma 2, that is the second column I'm looking into the information, and false. That is normal function that we use. Result is not applicable, not available. Now I will teach you how to use the correct information in this lookup for partial lookup. Is equal to Vlookup, very easy and simple as it was before. We will give a reference, that is cell reference L5. L5 is our reference cell. Now the next question is, what should I do different here? I will put an and sign, and then I will start referencing static. So I gave 2 apostrophes and in between them an static signs. You can see down there the function in a bigger format. This is how I'm using it. Now this means that I'm saying that L5 and static means whatever is after that, a space or something else, doesn't matter. It should start with L5 or John, in other words, and after that whatever it is there, comma. Now I will select the table again where John is available, comma 2, I need the second column, is equal to false. So rest of the function remains the same as it was, and you can see now it has picked up the subject of Mr. John into this field. So simple and easy, guys. You can use it other way around as well. So you can start with static and then you can give Ali, Abraham, Gabor, etc, etc. Try it yourself. Leave comments in the comment section. If you're the first timer here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I wish you all very best with this practice, and I look forward to speak to you again. Till then, ta-da.